Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to see where short links end up on your internet browser. So if perhaps you have a hyperlink you don't want to click on because it looks suspicious, or might be a bit URL or a Google URL that's just shortened down, this tutorial will be for you. So while not all these links are bad, some of them could be, so you might want to see what domain it's taking you to before you actually click on it. So in order to do that, it's very simple. So we're going to open up a web browser here. I'm going to have a link to this website in the description of my video. So I'm going to paste in my website right here, and then I'm going to left click on expand. And the URL of the website I chose to create a short URL for was just google.com, and you can see a preview of the page right there. And if you scroll down, you get a little more information about what the URL is. So www.google.com tells you where it's directing you to. So definitely a nice little feature to know about here. And you can also have the ability to check if it's safe on various website checking utilities such as Web of Trust, McAfee's Site Advisor, as well as Google's own phishing capabilities. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.